Hi divas, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are shooting another beneficial video and it's all about carrot oil, and we are going to be doing another method of carrot oil. So I have done this carrot oil before. I did the cold press carrot oil, so make sure to go and check that video out so you can know the difference between that carrot oil and this carrot oil that I will be making. So you are going to choose from the one you want to be making for yourself. Both of these carrot oil, they are so beneficial to the skin because we did not kill the nutrients, we did not kill the vitamins, we did not kill the beta carotene that is in this carrot. So guys, make sure to watch this video from starting to the end so that you will understand what we are doing. So many people don't watch video from starting to the end. I understand, maybe based on you're trying to save your data, or you're trying to save your internet, or whatsoever network that you are using, but please try to watch from starting to the end so that you will gain better knowledge of what we are doing here. So we are making carrot oil, and we are doing the steaming method. We are not frying, we are not cooking, we are not boiling, we are doing the steaming method of carrot oil. So guys, we are using organic carrot oil, and we are going to use our olive organic oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I'm using olive oil and I'm using organic carrots. So the reason why we are using organic carrots, we don't want any carrot that is sprayed with alcohol. We don't want any carrot that is grown with fertilizer. We just want to use the natural organic carrot so that we can have all the full benefits from this oil. Since we are going to be applying them on our skin, we want to use them to heal our scars, our pigmentation, our spots, and we want to use it to lighten up our skin. So guys, sit back and let's do this together. So the next thing that we are going to be doing is to dice up our carrots, and we are going to blend it with our olive oil. So you can blend yours with any oil of your choice, and I'm using extra virgin oil to blend mine. So guys, if you're blending your carrots, make sure not to use any form of water. Just use only your oil to blend your carrots. And the reason why we are blending these carrots, because we want to get the full benefits of this carrot. We want to extract the beta carotene from this carrot. We want to extract the vitamins. We want to extract the nutrients from this carrot. That is why we are blending our carrots with our oil together. So this is the best way to extract the full benefits from these carrots. So guys, we are going to steam our oil for 1 hour. So we are not cooking, we are not frying, we are just steaming this oil for just 1 hour, and we are doing it in a very low key. So there's no need for you to high your gas, there's no need for you to high your stove. We are going to steam this for 1 hour. So I'm going to bring you guys after 30 minutes, and I'm still going to bring you guys after 1 hour. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. So divas, this is 30 minutes of steaming. You can see this oil is not boiling, is not frying. This is steaming. So we are going to steam this for 1 hour. So it has been 30 minutes now. So keep steaming your oil for 1 hour. Do not burn your oil. Just keep steaming for 1 hour. Then after 1 hour, you are going to see the final result. So okay guys, we are back and it has been 1 hour of steaming our oil. You can see that our carrot is still looking fresh. That is because we are not frying it, we are steaming this. So guys, this is 1 hour of steaming our oil and we are going to keep this to cool down for another 1 hour. We are going to allow everything to finally cool down. So guys, keep watching and this is it. It has been 1 hour. Our oil is very cool now, so it's time for us to extract our oil. Yeah guys, it's time for us to extract our oil. So you can see that our carrot puree is still very fresh. We did not kill it, we did not burn it, we did not fry it. It is still very fresh. So keep watching while we extract this and I'm going to bring you back to the final stage. We are here guys, so this is our carrot oil. So because I pressed it too hard, that is why we have this little foam on top. So what we are going to do, we are going to keep this inside the refrigerator to cool down and then we are going to scoop out the foam with our spoon. You just use your spoon and scoop the up of the foam, just the foam. We are going to take it out with our spoon. So that is the best way to take out the foam. So do not keep your foam like this. And this is my orange oil also. So guys, now we are going to pour in our carrot oil. You can see how beautiful this oil is looking, how thick this oil is looking. So if you make any of your skincare oil and the oil is looking so light, just know that you have killed all the nutrients because of too much of frying or too much of cooking. So you can see this oil is very thick and this oil is looking so, is it reddish or orange? I don't know. So this is very good when it comes to your skin. It's very good when it comes to your hair. You can apply this as your facial moisturizer at night. If you have a very dry skin, you can use this as your facial moisturizer. So this is my extract. This is a liquid that came out from the carrot. So I'm going to use this liquid to make my face cream. So what I'm going to do, because I will be using this later on, I'm going to preserve it. I'm going to add a little bit of my sorry guys, I'm adding a little bit of my preservative to preserve this because I'm going to be making my face cream maybe in a month later or 2 weeks later. So I'm keeping this. I'm going to use this to make my face cream. So guys, this is our skin lightening carrot oil. So go and check out the one I made before. That is the cold pressed carrot oil, and this is the steamy carrot oil. And please guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, and turn on the notification bell. See you guys, and I love you all.